Yeah, it started. Let's see, up to, I feel like it will go up to 1 hour maximum. Let's see. Okay, we'll start from the bond first. Let me check this, calendar. What do we have? Last 2 weeks, we have, continuous this high volatility week. Like there are red folder news, which is high impact. First, we do have NFP, then CPI this week. Now, coming week, we have FOMC on Wednesday. So Monday we don't have news. Tuesday we have so Monday, Tuesday we can look to trade. Wednesday I will not look for anything because the news will be on afternoon. So it is good to avoid prior sessions. And Thursday, Friday we look to trade. So we have mostly Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday. If we'll avoid Monday, then we'll have Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday. So now in JPY pairs, I will only focus on Euro and GBP because of my past data. I didn't even take, trade on other pairs, only in GBP, JPY, and one time I took, I think, AUD JPY and CAD JPY. So for clarity's sake, I removed all this pair and only kept Euro JPY and GBP JPY. Okay. So we have GBP news on Wednesday and Thursday. If we'll find any opportunity, we will only trade this Wednesday and Thursday. So this is the news. As per the news, we are expecting some volatility in the coming week on the majors for sure. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. Let's start with the bond. So as last week we expected the continuation move and price closed bullish. So what do we have? What do we can target next? We are closing above this candle. So this is looking like strong close. That means continuation move. And we have this as a target. If you are failing to manipulate this high, then where we can go now? We can continue here. Okay, if you are failing to manipulate, that means if we'll close below this candle, then yeah, we manipulated. If we will run, that means we are failing to manipulate. The next target is this liquidity, this high. If we come to the daily, what are we doing here? This is more like a consolidation. This is not aggressive close down. We pushed up. Now we are consolidating. We respected this fair value gap also. Yeah, so I'm more like bullish on the bond. So if bond is bullish, then DXY should come down. Uh, let's see the weekly. So what do we have here?
Range.
Yeah, only range. Though we have CPI, this candle closed like, something like indecision candle. Like
Mm,
it didn't close below this candle. It's again feeling like,
closed in the range.
yeah, close within the range. So in weekly, it's more like, ranging. And let's mark some. We we respected this one. Now this is not aggressive move down, so we can't expect much. Also here we failed to close below this candle low. So come to the daily. I don't have anything on weekly. If you see daily, what do we have? We respected this fair value gap. This is a kind of range. We manipulated it. Ideally, we can target this low and this low. From the daily, it's looking like this. And what do we have? Did we disrespected this candle mean threshold? Yeah, we are kind of respecting this one. So let's see if we have any PDR here or not. Okay, we have this full fair value gap. So price kind of closed below this up close candle. So generally expecting some type of, some kind of down move, or maybe one more sweep Monday can, you know, went up and can take one more sweep to go down. Okay, this is what I am expecting. Invalidation will be if we'll close above this high, then this high is a invalidation. If we sweep it and close below, then we'll look for to downside. If we closed above, then then it's a invalidation. So bearish on the dollar based on the daily and 4 hour. Weekly, I have no bias. Come to the gold. Gold, as I expected last week, we have we are
Gold is
expanding. Yeah,
gold is expanded.
we
So 3 days expansion. Actually 3 weeks.
yeah continue expansion. This is if you see this one, you can't expect much from the gold. See, if it wants to, this expansion are making sense. See this type of expansion, continuous expansion, continue expansion. So same like this one is like less retracement gold is giving on the higher time frame. Now what are we doing here? So if from the daily, if you see, we try to push up from this high. It's more like now consolidation. See how many times price try to push up. First it came down here, it tried to push up.
Oh,
Ideally this candle should go up because it already swept the low. Now okay, let price one more time sweep the low. So we are expecting this candle to expand. If price is sweeping the lows and not expanding, that means what? It's a, more like you can see this is a consolidation. You're getting my point. You want to wait for the sweep of one side. Let's suppose Monday did something like this and close inside. Then you can look to target. You're getting my point. To the downside. Or this is a consolidation, or what can happen if price closed above this a strong close candle, then we can target the size. Then after we have to wait for the daily price action because we don't have target. We are at all time high. So now we need to wait for Monday price action. This candle try to push up, but still it close inside. That means what? We are ranging. If you see this price action, see this equal highs. Okay, price try to push up, but it failed. Now it is ranging here. So it is better to wait for Monday. Then after we have to decide. Come to the euro. Euro closed. Do we have anything here? Okay. What do we have on monthly? Monthly we have this target. We slope the low. Okay. So from weekly, what do we have? We closed our
also
we closed out this candle. This is the down close candle. So let's wait for the retracement to go up. This is the target on the monthly. Okay. And what do we have here? Okay,
if he respected.
we have this one as a target. This is equal highs. Okay. We came to this fair value gap. I think we do have some kind of SMT here. This is 8 September. Yeah, we have SMT with GU here. So if this is a SMT, then what we can expect? We can expect some type of continuation. If this is a true SMT, that means reversal has already been formed. Now we are looking to expand. So on Friday it came all the way down, retested this
Developed.
yeah 4 hour fair value gap inside this candle, and it failed to push up. If you see this long week does not support expansion first of all. Okay. So though it is a respect, we can still, look to target these highs. Like it is bullish, we cannot tell, yeah, now it is bearish. So if you see the 4 hour, we came to the as for fair value gap late in the day, 5 a.m. and 9 a.m. Yeah. And here is the open 17 a.m. If you see this week, this is a long week. If it is a long week, then we can target the open. This is how this daily candle formed. Okay. So we are expecting bullish price action on Europe.
Tomorrow.
Yeah. Let's check 1 hour. We closed above this down close candle. So ideally, this candle should push price up. Okay. Come to the GBP. GBP is a bit weaker than gold, than euro. Though we closed above this down close candle here on weekly, we can target this highs. So what happened? This candle swept the low, price closed above it, formed the order block, price retested the order block, and is showing. So from this week, we can know, we are understanding. Yeah, this is a respect. Let's see. Yeah, we have bullish buys up to this high. What do we have? We came to this order block. This is a consecutive downward candle, and we are pushing to the upside. If we are going to the upside, then then what we don't want to see. So the sweep, this is aggressive. Okay, this candle respected this. We don't want to see price to disrespect this one because it already retested. This order block. Now it is on this order block. We don't want to see price again come all the way down and disrespect this one. We want to see upside move early in the week. We have some lower resistance and low resistance to target. Let's see. Are you with me?
Yeah.
AUD USD. We expected bullish price action last week, and this is how the candle formed. But I didn't get any opportunity to get involved in this pair this week. So what target do we have next? We have next this high and the previous week high. So if we expanded above the high, then we can expect some type of consolidation or reversal. Okay, if it is a consolidation, then that means a continuation. So if it is a close, if it close inside, then it is a reversal. We want to see this. Why it is not showing on the daily? So what phase of price we have now? So ideally, we can see this this day Wednesday came above this high and it closed below. That means it tried to reject. But what happened? Thursday closed above this rejection high. That means what? We are bullish. We are not manipulating this high. If we are not manipulating, then we can target the next highs. These are close highs. That means this is what? Relative highs. They are close. This one, this high, this high, this high, these are close. So I'll look to target these highs here. So let's see uh, how the Monday will form because we don't have any PDRA here. If you come to the 4 hour, price is rejected from, I think this is previous daily high. Yeah, price is rejected from here. Now, yeah, it is going up. It is going up. Do we have any kind of SMT? No. Let's see the 1 hour. Okay, this consecutive down close candle taken the liquidity price closed up above this candle. So ideally it should expand. If you see this is what uh, this is close eyes. Okay,
Yeah.
so we
No
can
resist.
target this size. Yeah. So yeah, I'm bullish on AUD also. Come to the NZD. NZD is bit weaker. We also failed to close above this down close candle, but in AUD we already closed. So AUD is looking good for buy. If you come to the daily, we came to the daily fair value gap. We try to push up. Now we are fair. Now this candle is an inside bar. But what are the targets? These are the target. This is a inside bar. So what can happen on the Monday? Monday can come and sweep this low again and go up. This is what happened on if there is an inside bar. That means this candle is inside this big candle. If there is any example, not this one, like similar type of this. Can you see this candle and this candle? What happened? This candle swept. This candle does not have to come all the way low. It can sweep the previous candle low and still expand. This is what I'm telling. Okay. So what do we have in 4 hour? See, this is not a sign of reversal. If you see this one, these highs are not manipulated. These are stack highs, 4 hour highs. I am expecting bullish price action on the NZD also. Maybe one more sweep, it will be better to go up. Okay. And what are the key levels? This is the key level. USD CAD. USD CAD closed above this down close candle. So and also it retested this down close candle, and also it is failing to close above this up close candle. What do we have here? What bias do you have? We respected this fair value gap on daily. We closed above. Okay, this candle retrace and we close above this down close candle. There is no bias for me here. Why? Because we are rejecting this size. Okay,
Yeah.
we rejected this high, and also this is what it took the previous candle highs as well as closed below. So this is a EBP in engulfing bar. So there is yeah, if you see, this is not the sign of reversal. Can you see the stack lows? This is what phase of price delivery we have here. This is up close candles, strong momentum going up and strong momentum going down. This is a sign of reversal. And this is what? This is not the reversal, you can say. If you yeah, we come below this low, but we are not manipulating this one. If you are manipulating, then sign will be something like this aggressive move in and out. This is like ranging, slow retracement kind of price action. So I am expecting downside move uh, you know, in USD CAD also. If you measure, yeah, we came to the 50%. Yes, we came to 50%. I'm expecting downside move on the CAD, and target should be this one, previous daily lows. This is a mess. USD JPY, what it did? This candle open. This pair is only sweeping highs and lows. If you see this thing. This is this is broadening formation. So when the price forming this type of price action, you can anticipate this is a sign of consolidation. See, this is the broadening formation, like continuously sweeping highs and lows. So we will not try to analyze this pair.
Yeah.
So this is what we do. We have on the majors. Let's come to the NQ. NQ. We expected bullish price action on the NQ last week, and this is what happened. Price is now at all-time highs on the NQ. So this is the continue move up. So we need to wait for the another phase of price delivery. If we will start ranging here, then this is a continuation signature. If we close below this up close candles, then this is what the reversal. You're getting my point. Also, if you see these are stack lows. No manipulation has been done here. So these lows I'm talking about. So price can retrace to come, to take these out. These are the stag liquidity. So we'll wait. Now we have nothing here to for the next
Yes.
coming week. So we are closing out. Okay. We have what? This is this E is looking strong. It has the fair value gap, but the NQ it doesn't have. Yeah, we will wait. We will wait for Monday. We have to see how this Monday is reacting. If it will close inside the range, then we can anticipate Tuesday to go and take this high. So now waiting game is here. So reversal has already been formed on the lower time frame. If you see this, if you see this one, reversal has already been confirmed. How? Expansion, consolidation. Now what? This is a expansion out, expansion in. This is a manipulation. If Monday, if Monday will consolidate and Tuesday sweep this highs, we can target this fair
Really
value,
good.
daily fair value. We need consolidation. If it is a consolidation, then this is a continuation signature. That's what I'm telling. Okay, if it will other, if it goes completely up to this down scenario, this is not a continuation signature. This is expansion meeting with another expansion means reversal. This is what we have on ES, and what do we have on NQ? NQ we have nothing, but ES is meeting. ES is weaker. It took the highs. NQ also took the highs, but it is failing to closing out this down close candle. While on ES it already closed here. That's why this is a reversal. If price wants to go down, then it should not disrespect this fair value. This is the new invalidation. Okay, let's come to crosses. Crosses I have, as I told you, I have only JPY pairs, and in this I have GBP JPY and Euro JPY. What do we have? We have big gap up in the last week. So this will be the PDRA for the coming week. So we respected this down close candle. So what do we have? We need to wait now, because see, if you see this one, if you see this one, this is price is continuously failing and rejecting highs. So you don't have to look for buy here. So we have to wait for Monday or Tuesday to retrace, and we want to see some kind of fair value gap, something like this. If it is forming fair value gap, then that there is momentum. Okay. And the one more thing we can anticipate, if price will close below this down close candle, this down close. So we can we can, and it should be aggressive, not slow lethargic move. So we can look to target something like this. Why? Because if you see this one, these all are what? Low resistance. These all are low resistance. So there are two possibility. For buy, we need more price action and some kind of fair value gap, and candle should close above this high. And for sell, we need price to close below. this up close candle aggressively. Then we will look to target this close. These are the two scenarios. Now waiting game we have, because Monday, Tuesday, we will see how the price action is developing. So on the Euro JPY, if you see Euro JPY, we have what? We are forming some kind of SMT here, and Euro JPY respected this down close candle, and we have the key level as the gap. So it's already took the high. Come to the daily. Okay, this is what, from the beginning of the week, Monday took the highs and try to expand. This is expansion meeting expansion. But we came to the higher time frame PDRA. Now we are again forming the expansion. This is a continuation signature. So we need to wait to see the price. And also there is SMT here. If there is SMT, that means what? It should expand to the downside. If it is not expanding, that means this SMT has failed to do his job. We can target this high. You getting my point? See, if this is a true SMT, price should expand down. Why it is not expanding? Okay. If it will fail to expand, then this SMT is failed to do his job. We can target this size. If you see this price action is making sense. This is slow retracement. Okay. So let's see for Monday and Tuesday price action. Then we will see how this one is reacting. Okay, this is all about the measures and crosses. We have some clear price action on Euro,
In GBP.
GBP, AUD. We have to see the lower time frame on the Monday. So we'll keep this on watch. NZD we don't have. CAD we have
You will just
because
look for SMT.
yeah, CAD we have because of this, this tag lows. We need to wait for how the Monday profile is developing. JPY we don't have. So these are the pairs I'll look into the coming week. Is there anything to add, Vish?
Mhm.
So are we done?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll close the recording now and we'll hop into the Discord.
Okay.